What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we're talking Honyocker. We're talking the Humidor scent. We're gonna see if this is indeed a top tobacco scent in my personal opinion. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I appreciate you stopping by. Everybody that is subscribed to the channel already, you know I love you, so thanks for doing that. Let's go ahead and dive in. Now on this channel, I have already covered Honyocker on multiple scents. I'll link one of those episodes above in a card so you can check that out. Now a beard oil or a beard butter from Honyocker is $16.50, which is a fantastic deal already. But if you want to save a little bit more money, especially in these times that we're in, use promo code ATB15. It's going to save you 15% off of your order. Now, a beard oil from Honyocker, it comes in a 1 ounce green bottle, a standard dropper top on top of it. The labeling is really great, you guys. I love the logo that Adam has for Honyocker, and these labels actually do have a protective film over them, so it's going to stand the test of time against beard oil, water, all that stuff. Your labels are going to be safe. It does have the carrier oil blend broke down on the side of the label, so that is fantastic as well. That carrier oil blend is amazing. It does consist of jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, avocado oil, argan oil, and then it's going to have castor oil in it, and then the fragrance oils or essential oils. Overall, the feel and beard, you guys, on anything Honyocker is amazing. This beard oil does a great job for conditioning your beard, does a great job protecting it against UV protection, does a great job of strengthening your beard hairs. So fantastic job on the carrier oil blend from Honyocker. Now, as far as a viscosity is concerned, this is really a thicker oil. So if you do love a thicker beard oil, Honyocker is definitely the way to go. I personally do love thicker beard oils. So when I'm not testing something out, there are 3 companies pretty much that are my go-tos, and Honyocker is definitely one of them. So with Honyocker and the scent profiles, we really don't know everything that is in the beard oils. Adam does a great job of depicting in a scenario what he envisions this scent to really embody. So we're gonna go ahead and go on a trip together. We're gonna go to the website. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the phone, which is an iPhone. If you're an Android user, hey, I don't judge, so don't hate me because I have an iPhone. But we're scrolling through the beard oil. There is Biz, which is sold out. That was a collaboration. There it is, Humidor, right there, $16.50. Now this scent, the Humidor, will make you feel as if you literally just walked into an upscale, elegant cigar shop. Spicy tobacco and vanilla with a rich nutty note. And if you go underneath there, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star, 5. You get the idea, you guys. 5 stars pretty much all across the board for this scent. Now when I smell this scent, that's where we're gonna really see what it smells like. For me personally, so smelling this scent, it really does a great job with that, envisioning a high-end tobacco humidor type atmosphere. I personally love cigar shops and going into those humidors, and I really do see where that really does play a part in this scent profile. It's a warm, rich, sweet tobacco to me, and that might be because of the vanilla kind of mixing in a little bit in the middle. And on the back end, I do get the nutty and the spicy notes, but they're not really bold. They're really mellow, just to make a little bit of a complex scent out of this. Surprisingly to me, my wife loves this scent more than any of them from Honyocker that I know of. And I was shocked that it would be a tobacco scent that my wife really did love. So, hey, that's a plus for me that the wife loves it. But you guys, for me, Humidor is a top tobacco scent. As I was saying in the title of this video, is it one? To me personally, yes it is. It is fantastic. It lasts at least 8 hours. More if you add the butter, which I did today. And speaking of the butter, this thing, like I said, $16.50, you guys, and the butter is fantastic as well. Comes out of the container super smooth. It does have body to it. A little bit goes a long way, but it breaks down easy. Does have a little bit of beeswax in it, so if you're wanting to style your beard with a daytime beard butter, Honyocker is definitely the way to go. It's a top 3 beard butter for me, especially during the daytime. Personally, don't use it at night, except for Zinlin. I do use that at night, but we'll get to that down the road, I'm sure, in another video. But the Humidor, you guys, if you are a tobacco fan, I highly recommend you check this scent out. It is fantastic. It's complex, manly, but it does have the tobacco elements that are just fantastic, and Adam does a great job, like I said. So if you're new to the channel, I'm gonna link you a couple videos, probably a playlist somewhere on this screen, so you can check out some more videos. But now that my work is done and I've told you all about Honyocker, which I do recommend you guys go to that website, check it out, see everything that they have to offer. Use the promo code if you want to. It's not a kickback to me right now, so I'm not getting anything back. I'm just helping you guys out. Now that my work is done, I think in the spirit of the Humidor, I might go ahead and light a Camacho, go out on my back deck, enjoy the rest of my night. But you guys, Humidor, Honyocker, can't go wrong. Tobacco scents, I think I've said it enough. I'll see you guys in the next video. And as always, stay safe, stay bearded.